Hello. Today we'll talk about Kirchhoff's second law, also called the Kirchhoff voltage law. It states that the sum of voltages around any closed loop is zero. Think of it as the circuit keeping its books perfectly balanced. Here we have a 6-volt voltage source and 2 resistors. Let's calculate the current flowing through the circuit. According to Ohm's law, current is voltage divided by resistance. So, we have 6 volts, and the resistors add up to 100 plus 200 ohms. Crunch the numbers, and voila, we get 20 milliamps. Now let's calculate the voltage drops across the resistors. We'll use Ohm's law again. The voltage drop on the first resistor is simply its resistance times the current. 100 ohms times 0.02 amps, which gives 2 volts. And look at that, it matches our measurements perfectly. The voltage drop across the second resistor is calculated the same way, voltage equals resistance times current. So, 200 ohms times 0.02 amps gives 4 volts. Once again, it matches our measurements perfectly. Let's look at that equation again and do the math. Plus 6 volts, minus 2 volts, minus 4 volts, equals 0. And just like that, we see the law in action. Let's illustrate this on a graph, showing the voltage drop step by step. At the start of the loop, we have the 6-volt source. Subtract 2 volts across the first resistor, and we're left with 4 volts, right here after the resistor. Going further, we subtract 4 volts across the second resistor, and we end up with 0. Perfect, it all checks out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. In the description, you'll also find a link to the cloud where I upload Falstad circuits that you can download, try out, and even modify yourself.